Good morning, dear students. Today I'm going to start new chapter 4, playing with numbers. So here I will give you some definition, okay? So first is factor. A factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. So factor will divide the numbers, okay? And when you divide the numbers, the remainder is always 0. So example, first you see the example, then you'll understand factors of 6. Factors of 6, 1 is always a factor of 6. 1 will divide 6. 2 will completely divide 6. 3 can divide 6, and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Next is factors of 20. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So first factor is 1, smallest factor. Then 2 can divide 20. Then 4 5s are 20. 5 can divide 10 and 20. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are the factors of 20. 1 is the smallest factor. 20 is the largest factor. So all numbers except 1 have at least 2 factors. So 1 have only one factor, that is 1 itself. But except 1, 2 have 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3 have 2 factors, 1 and 3. So except 1, all the numbers have at least 2 factors. Next is your common factors. The factors that are common to a set of numbers are called common factors. When you take 2 or 3 numbers, okay, so common factors are those factors which are common to all the numbers. Example, factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we will find the common factors of 8 and 12. 1 is common, 2, 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 8 and 12. So the factors which are common to the set of numbers are called common factors. Next is multiple. So multiples are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer. So how to find multiple? You just have to multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You'll get the multiples. Example, multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4. 4 is a multiple of 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 is a multiple. 4 threes are 12. 12 is a multiple of 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 6 are 24 and so on, because we cannot find all the multiples. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 are the multiples of 4. Next example, multiples of 7 are 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49 and so on. So these are the multiple of 7. Next is common multiples. Here the word is common. So the multiples that are common to a set of numbers are called the common multiples. So here I have taken only 2 numbers, okay, multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. You can find more numbers also. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, ... So from here only we will find the common multiples. 12, 24. You can find some more also, okay, but here 12 and 24 are the common multiples of 6 and 4. Now we'll start exercise. Exercise 4.1. Find the following. Number is smallest factor of 27. Now here I have told 1 is always the smallest factor of all the numbers. So simply your answer is 1. Largest factor of 34 is 34 itself. The number itself is the largest factor. Next is factors of 46. So here 1, 2, 23 and 46. Now you can do like this. First you do with 1. 1 into 46 is 46. Then 2 into 23 is 46. Now 1, 2, 23 and 46 are the factors of 46. Except these 4 numbers, other number cannot divide 46. So we have only 4 factors of 46. Next is number D, sum of all the factors of 16. You have to first find the factors after that you have to add those factors. So first factor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Simply add them. Answer is 31. Here sum. Sum means addition. Next is factors of 58. Now we'll do the same process. 1 58 the 58. We got smallest factor and largest factor. Next we will try with 2. 2 into 29 is equal to 58 again. So now 3 will not divide. 3 cannot divide 58. So 1, 2, 29, 58. These are the factors of 58. So 58 have only 4 factors. Next is number 2. Find the first 4 multiples of the following numbers. So you have to find the only 4 multiples. Okay, so 4 multiples of 7 are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So these are the first 4 multiples of 7. 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52. So these are the multiples of 13. Here first it is written. That's why you have to write the first 4 multiples. If it is written only 4 multiples, you can write any other. Now next is question number 3. Find all the factors of the following numbers. So here we will do rough work. 56. You have to find all the factors of 56. We know first factor is 1. So 1 into 56 is 56. So 1 and 56 are the factors, smallest factor and greatest factor. Now we'll try with 2. 2 into 28 is equal to 56. We got another factor also, 2. Then 3 cannot divide. We'll try with 4. 4 into 14 is equal to 56. Then 7 8s are 7, 8s are 56. Now you write like this: 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 56. 4 7 8 14 28 and 56. So these are the factors of 56. Next is 44. Here we will do rough work. This is number A. C. B is homework. So 1 into 44 is 44. Smallest factor, largest factor. 2 into 22 is 44. Then 3 cannot divide. 4 into 11 is 44. So other number cannot divide 44. So factors are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, 44. 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. Now question number D. 121. First factor is 1. 1 into 121 is 121. Smallest factor, largest factor. Next is we have only one, that is 11 11s. 11 11s are 121. We cannot write 2 times. Okay, we have to write only 1 time. So 1 comma 11 and 121. So 121 have only 3 factors: 1, 11 and 121. Next is 235. Question number E. 1 into 235 is equal to 235. First factor is 1. 2 cannot divide because this is an odd number. 2 cannot divide. Next is directly 5. 5 into, you can try here, 235. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35. So 5 47s are 235. So here we have 1 comma 5 comma 47 and 235. So these are the factors of 235.